Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made these stilettos. I had some inspo from Pinterest and I just thought they were so cute. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to use these long stilettos. I have a lot of them because I rarely use them, but I was just like craving a stiletto set, I don't know, and then they sold like super quick, so I'm super excited. I'm definitely going to be making some more. So my base color is going to be Ciao Bella, and I believe I did one layer of this and then 2 layers of like a deeper pink just to give it that pink but not like super translucent look, if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this and then I will show you guys the next layer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Gelish Structure translucent pink. This pink is so pretty. Like if you do 3 layers of it, oh my gosh, it's the prettiest pink ever on like natural nails. But if you're doing press-ons, I would suggest doing like a base layer like I did and then doing that on top, because it gives it a little bit more of an opaque look, unless you're going for like super translucent and just like the pink. This pink is perfect, and it's also a structure gel, so it's basically like a builder gel and it's thicker and it self levels and everything, so I like to hold it down like this, and it gives that extra like that extra layer for your clients or your customers, just so that way you can know that they're strong, they're gonna last them. I've just started using a builder gel when I do my press-ons, and I am loving it because it's just giving it more of like that acrylic look that some people want. But like in the end, I don't know, gel is just, that's my baby, and I've done acrylic in the past and I just won't go back. I don't care for the smell anymore. I feel like gel is just like, there's so many more things you can do with gel, and yeah, I know a lot of people are seeing that as well, like by doing the gel 3D flowers and stuff and not using acrylic. So yeah, so I did this set, or this side, off camera because I was also recording for TikTok and for Instagram, so I was just showing you guys what we're gonna do right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my Frenchies. I kind of just freehand now. Yeah, I really love Frenchies, and I've been doing a challenge to do Frenchies on every ready to ship set I make, so this was another ready to ship set. I just didn't feel like doing Frenchies on all of them because I wanted to add a little bling, and that paid off because my girls that order my press-ons know that I love bling, and whenever I drop bling sets, long, whatever it is, they sell so fast. So yeah, I definitely have a lot more bling sets coming because I have so much bling, and I just want to record it all. I want to let you guys see my process, and I just want to have fun. Okay, so one thing I like to do just to make sure my Frenchies are all pretty like symmetric, or like, you know, starting in the same place, is I like to grab the French from either the other hand or the next nail like right next to it, and then compare them, and then I can fix it from there. But I do love when the Frenchies are like as close to being like in the same exact area. I just think it looks so clean and so nice. So I try to do that all the time when I do my Frenchies. I always check like the next one, and then I make sure that they're very, very similar, so that way when they're all up to each, like next to each other, it looks so good when you go to take a picture. Like it looks so pretty. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with these bows. I'm gonna use those pink ones right there. I will have everything linked in my Amazon storefront as well. Everything that I use, I am updating it daily. I'm back at it, you guys. I'm back at it. So yeah, something that I realized when I was doing like gel X nails or just like seeing videos, I noticed that a lot of people were wanting to buff these because they kind of can pop off because the bottom is so glossy. So I tried that with this set. I definitely like pulled on it and, you know, made sure it was on there, and it was on there when I packed them up and everything. So I am hoping that this little hack helped, and you know, all you have to do is just a little bit of buffing the back of the bow. So yeah, I'm hoping that helps. So this is what this nail looks like. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna make a full set like this. I've been seeing those a lot, so I might do that, so keep an eye out. But yeah, and then I'm gonna go in with the cute little flowers. I love that little 8 grid, whatever, 12 grid thing. It's so cute. It has a lot of flowers in it, and I actually have a couple flowers that I'm gonna be using in there on my next set. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with the Makartt glue, and I'm just going like as if I'm doing a French basically, and then I'm just gonna perfect the French as I add the bling. I kept all of the bling in real time just so you guys can see how long it takes, because honestly, like, I'm pretty sure I only recorded like this nail for the video, and it took about 7 minutes, I'm guessing. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys watch my process. Definitely know that like if bling or Frenchies or nail art take you a long time, like don't feel bad, because it's art. Like artwork takes a long time, and I mean, in the end, it's only bettering yourself, and you're doing what you love. Like for the longest time, I stopped doing what I loved, and I was just doing trends, and it's not fun. So now I'm back to what I love, and that's bling and like intricate sets, and I love ombre. So I'm back to airbrushing. I actually have one coming next, and it's a Frenchie like aura ombre 3D flower set. It's really cute. I'm sure you guys have seen them. But yeah, I'm just back to doing what I love, and I'm gonna be recording pretty much every single set because I want you guys to just see the process. And if you like the vibe, you can just watch my videos on repeat. But yeah, so if you're still here, definitely hit that like button, leave me a little comment, and subscribe, because I am 100% back in full effect. I have realized whenever I take time from YouTube, I'm just not like as happy. And when I am YouTubing and when I'm recording and doing my voiceovers, I'm so happy and so at peace. And like right now, I just like drove up to the mountains to look outside and do my voiceover and just like bring peace to myself, because I truly, truly love nails. I love the art of nails. I love like the therapy in it. Like it just takes me to a different place. So I'm hoping to give that out of my videos and just give you guys like peace. And you know, the art of nails, it really does take time. Like I've taken 4 or 5, like 6 hours on set sometimes with just doing bling or art, and I truly, truly love it. So yeah, I just kept this one nail in because I wanted to just show the full process of this one. But if you guys do like long in-depth videos, let me know. If not, I truly love just showing you guys, like if I'm doing a full set of Frenchies, I'll show you 1 French in real time or 2, and then that's the video. And like for this one, pretty much all the nails were the same as far as the bling goes, so I only really need to show the 1 bling nail, and then all I did was hold that nail next to me and repeat it on every other nail. So yeah, that's basically my process. This is how I do my nails. I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching, and then I will come back in the very end to show you guys the final product and how they looked all packed up. And now I'm shipping them to my client because they already sold. Okay guys, this is it. This is the final nail. I repeated that on the other 3 blinged out nails, and this is what they look like. This is how they turned out. I am obsessed with them. I think they are so cute. I just love the bow nail, but I also love the bling and I love the French. I don't know, they're so cute. So yeah, if you guys had fun, like this video, learned anything, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will be back soon. Bye guys.